Here's a quick video to go with my tutorial on how to install these awesome Lynk sliding drawers and cabinets. I've done 5 so far, and my tutorial on my blog gives the step-by-step. As you can see, this cabinet right here has 2 shelves. I took out the second shelf and I'm going to install the rail on it and then put it back in. This one I was able to drill the holes for the rail and fasten it in the cabinet after positioning it, and then you screw the drawer onto the rails. So my blog at foodstarter.com has all the step-by-steps, and it will change your life to be able to get in the back recesses of your cabinets instead of stashing stuff and never seeing it again. You'll need a few tools. I've outlined it all on my blog. Have fun!